Today we're checking out this kettle pizza. Guys, thanks for joining me on Around the Home. Okay, Christmas morning, and this is what I got. This is my big gift today. My wife picked this out. She got it on Amazon. By the way, if you guys are interested in this, there will be Amazon links in the description down below. You can get your own. And by using those links, not only does it help you find the right item that we're talking about here, but it helps support the channel, okay? Well, let's take a look at it. This is my unboxing video, and I'll be honest, I started unboxing it a little bit because it's Christmas morning, but then I stopped. I'm like, okay, let's do this so we can, show all my viewers here what this thing is. First of all, if you guys are like wondering, this is going to take my Weber grill, and it's it should work for just about any kettle grill is what it says, and turn it into a pizza oven. Okay, amazing, right? Because I always wanted to do like pizza out on it, but I'm like, okay, well this is supposed to like really do it up right. Yes, I already cut the top. Okay, so we got the giant pizza spatula. Okay, yeah, got to insert it into the pizza oven, right? Okay, so yeah, I did get this far already before. Okay, so right here, we got the next package. The next part of the package, it says fragile, very fragile, pizza stone, okay? And we have a pizza stone for our oven. This is a very thick stone here. Okay, that's feeling pretty good. Set this on the table here. Okay, now this part is completely new to me. I hadn't gone further yet. Okay, I mean, yes, I opened the box, but I hadn't actually opened it. So what we got here is a nice piece to come out. Okay, is our big stainless steel ring. And this is the part that's going to make it actually become the oven. And it looks like it's got possibly some adjustments to it, or maybe it just needs to be assembled. Not sure. Okay. All right, our big pizza opening right there. Okay. And then here, at the bottom, we've got, looks like we got an aluminum pizza pan. Okay. And then we've got handles, and looks like a little bit of instructions, and maybe just some, maybe it doesn't have like a full recipe, something like that. At least just kind of tell me what temperatures to run it on while I'm cooking. We'll see that shortly. Okay, thanks for joining me for this quick unboxing video of the kettle pizza accessory there for your kettle grills. Okay, so if you would take a moment, it really helps out. Subscribe to my channel, check out my website. Hundreds of more videos organized really well because I have a couple YouTube channels, this and that. And some additional videos right here on the side, including the next video, which is the assembly. All right, guys, thanks again so much.